Today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys and welcome back here. I'm super excited about this video. We have new items coming, so if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I live in Spain, in Barcelona. I'm French, and as you can see, I clearly love luxury bags, and this is why I created my own company, BAM Luxury Store. You will have the website just here on the screen, and you will have every link in the description of this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. It helps me a lot to grow. And yeah, it's only one click for you, so don't hesitate. Okay, let's go. So the first item I really want to show you is this amazing, beautiful Lady Dior. I clearly love it. This is a Lady Dior. This is one of the classic bag from Dior. And this one is just insane. You don't see a lot like white patent leather bag. So this is a patent leather in white, like white cream, I would say. This one is not brand new. I will show you. The price is very low. Well, it is very low for Lady Dior. We always try to have very good prices, of course, to please you, but also because some bags are not brand new, and yeah, mostly because we want to please you. So this Lady Dior has like silver palladium hardware, so this is pretty nice. Condition of this bag is between good and very good. I will show you why. It has some discoloration, so bottom of the bag is more white than the rest of the bag, but it's like bottom of the bag, so it's quite okay. The bag is very nice on this side here too. You have a little trace here, but it's very little. The parts on the handles, so you have little trace on the handles because you are like wearing this a lot, so you have some little trace. One handle is whiter than the other one. It's little to see. I will try to show you like difference between both of them. I will try to make like a zoom in, but yeah, one is whiter than the other one, and where you can see the most discoloration is here. You have some little dirt, but you can see clearly here it's like discolored a bit than here. So yeah, inside is very good. We have the strap for the bag. Inside is in amazing condition. I have nothing to say. You have the zipper, you have everything here. We have the code, serial number code. It's very nice because the bag inside is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but the bag inside is very gorgeous. And we have the strap, so this is actually super nice. This is a medium size. I try to have small sizes, but they go so high on price, so I'm sorry, but yeah, not for now. I will try. If you are looking for a small size, just let me know quick with your email address. I will send it to you like propositions and for pricing, and we can see. So yes, this one is available. We have, oh, I haven't seen here. You have like small little trace here, but it's very small. So yeah, it's very small, almost not seen, and it's behind of the back. And for the price for this amazing baby, we have a very low price of 1,450 €. I'm very excited because this is such a nice bag, worth the money. And they increased prices like not so long ago. The same bag at Lady Dior in store is worth now 5,900, I believe, so euro. This is insane. Clearly this is insane. What else? Yes, we have also this very cute little Gucci vintage. Amazing, but it looks perfect. It looks brand new actually. So we have this little Gucci bag, very nice, a little bit of vintage, but still a very good condition. I love it. This is such a cool vibe bag. So easy to wear, especially for now. Inside of the bag is amazing. I have nothing to say, no stain, nothing. It's very cool. You have a little pocket inside, so it's very practical. The zipper works perfectly. You have like a very nice canvas. Corners of the bag have little trace. This is not brand new, but still very good condition. The strap is very nice. You can change the size of the strap if you want. The strap on the outside is perfect. The strap on the inside and the other end has little damage here and there. But otherwise, this is such a good bag. The price for this one is 329 euro, so it's clearly worth the money. Like, it's real amazing. I have now a Celine bag to show you. I'm so excited. I hope you will enjoy it. This is kind of a vintage one. So this is like the Triumph canvas. You can wear this bag in a crossbody, so it's a crossbody bag, so it's actually very nice. The strap is in leather. You cannot change the size of the strap otherwise, except if you add like a little strap or whatever, but if not, you cannot. So this is like the Triumph kind of small bag, small pochette. We can see the Celine here. You have the Celine Triumph canvas, so I'm very excited. On the outside, the bag is quite in good condition, I would say. We have some trace of use here around the bag and on the corners. This is very little. We have one pocket on here. This is like leather inside, so it's actually very good. We have a pressing button, and then you can open the bag. It's leather also as well, and you have a zipper pocket on the inside. No trace of wear on the inside. It's in a very, very good condition. You have the Celine Paris a little sticker here, logo type, and we have an amazing bag. I'm in love with it. This is a very fancy, this is very cute. It's not a thin bag everywhere, and you can fit everything with it. You can wear it every single day. This is perfect, and the price also is very low. Be careful, it's 260 euro. This is nothing for a Celine bag, knowing how much is it right now. I will try to show you how much is it right now on store. I don't know if you have this. I'm not sure we have exactly the same right now, but I'm gonna add like the price and the model of a bag like right now, nowadays. I want to show you now an amazing bag. I'm sure it's gonna like sell very fast. I'm gonna put you the front of the bag. This one is a Speedy size 30. And I know you love Speedy, I know I love Speedy, I know everyone loves Speedy, thanks to Pharrell Williams actually. So price of a Speedy are going to increase a lot because of the show, because now prices is insane. So the condition of this bag is good, I would say. The canvas monogram is in a very good condition. I have nothing to say, no sign of wear. You have a very good caramelized bag, more on the handles, but obviously the bag is not brand new, but otherwise leather parts are insane. Like, this is a very, very nice vintage. The only thing I would say, because we still have a leather tag here, usually we don't, because it goes out very easily, but if you found one without the leather parts here, it's 25 euro to change at Louis Vuitton, so you can. Here, the leather parts on this here was damaged, but otherwise it's nothing. And if you want to change it, it's only 25 euros, so it's okay. Then we have the inside of a bag, which is black dark fabric. We have a little pocket here, always. We have some little stains inside, but it was worn, so it's not a brand new one. And we have a serial number just here, so it's actually a very good bag. I love it. It has some stain inside, but it's not that bad. And I think you can still like clean it a little bit. But otherwise, the price is just insane. And we have the price of 390 euro, which is a very, very good price for a Speedy. I'm going now to show you like this little pouch from Louis Vuitton. I'm excited because this one is so, so cute. This is a monogram canvas and sticker here. So this is a monogram canvas just here. This one is in very good condition. Corners also are very good. The gold hardware is nice. Leather parts is super nice also. And the inside has a little stain. You will see on the photos. We have a serial number here, but otherwise this is actually a very nice price for this type of pochette. We have a price of 185 euro. This is super practical, either to just keep it like this or to put it in the bag or to put your makeup, to put your credit cards, to put whatever you want. This is very nice, very useful. And now I want to show you one that you are going to like. I know like lots of you were looking for this bag. So we have a Keepall size 45, very small and nice one. I love it. The condition on this one is actually very good. We have a very nice canvas, like I have no trace of wear on the canvas. So this is actually very good. The leather part is caramelized kind of, but it's nothing big. We have a price tag, we have the tags and everything. leather parts here starts to fold a little bit. Otherwise, we have signs of trace on the leather parts on the bottom of the bag, but it's very few compared to the bag. It's nothing much, but otherwise the bag is in very, very good condition. I'm gonna open it right now to see the inside. Inside actually is very good. I had the code just here and is perfect. Like very, very nice bag. And for the price for this one, we have a price of 689 euro. This is a very, very nice, cool bag. The condition is very good. So yes, that's it. Just so you know, we ship worldwide. So if you come from the US, from the UK, Australia, Germany, I don't know where, we ship to you. So do not hesitate to ask me on Instagram, under this video, on YouTube. Do not hesitate to comment. I'll be very happy to read you and to reply to you. Yeah, that's it, I think. We offer payment plans, so you can pay in one time, of course, but in 2, 3, or 4 times if you want. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this drop, and I'll see you Sunday. Bye-bye.